Friend, as you navigate the complexities of life, remember that there are forces beyond your control. The Stoics teach us that to find peace, we must distinguish between what we can influence and what we cannot. Recognizing this truth is the first step toward serenity. Embrace the idea that your power lies in your reactions, not in external events. In the face of adversity, you may feel overwhelmed. Understand that while you cannot control the storms that arise, you can control your ship. The winds of fate may blow fiercely, but your response can steer you toward calmer waters. Reflect on this. How often do we waste energy lamenting what is lost? Instead, channel your energy into acceptance and growth. Acceptance does not imply passivity. Rather, it is an active engagement with reality. As at Island, the Stoics remind us that every obstacle can be a teacher. By welcoming each experience, even the painful ones, you allow yourself to learn and evolve. Each moment presents a choice: to resist or to adapt. Choose wisely, for therein lies your strength. As you cultivate acceptance, you will find that the burdens of life feel lighter. The weight of expectations dissipates when you accept the impermanence of all things. What was once a source of frustration may transform into a wellspring of peace. The journey of acceptance is ongoing, an evolving practice that enriches your spirit and fosters inner tranquility. Surround yourself with reminders of this wisdom. Consider the ancient philosophers, who, despite their trials, sought to understand rather than lament. Their legacy teaches us that true freedom lies in acceptance. By letting go of what you cannot change, you free yourself to embrace the present moment fully. This liberation paves the way for a life steeped in meaning and purpose. In closing, hold this thought close, dear friend. Acceptance is not resignation, but a profound act of strength. You have the power to cultivate inner peace by embracing life in all its forms. As the Stoics would say, it is not the events themselves that disturb us, but our judgments about them. Choose wisely, and let acceptance guide you toward a life of serenity and strength.